Hello children, I hope all of you are fine at home. So let's start our today's maths class. Children, today we will learn about measurement of capacity. Children, measurement are used daily in our life. You already know that water, milk, oil are liquids because liquids do not have any shape or size and they take the shape of the container. Like when milk from the jar is poured into the glass, the milk take the shape of the container. Now children, look at the glass and the jug. What do you think? Which one can hold more water? Children, obviously the jug is bigger than the glass. Jug is bigger and the glass is smaller. So jug hold more water. And children, capacity describe how much a container hold. And in this case, the capacity of this jug is more than the capacity of this glass because the jug is bigger than the glass. Children, in the same way, a bucket can hold more water than the jug because this bucket is bigger than the jug. So the capacity of bucket is more. Children, let's see, suppose we fill 12 baskets of water from this tank. Right? From this tank, we fill 12 baskets of water. We fill 12 buckets of water from this tank. Then the tank has a capacity of 12 buckets of water. But children, how can we measure the fixed quantity of any liquid? Can we measure liquids like we measure solids? Can we measure liquids in grams and kilograms using this weighing balance? Is it? No children, no. Because liquid flow easily and we cannot keep them on a weighing scale. Because they flow easily, so we have to use a container to hold them and only after that we can measure them. So instead of weighing them on machines, we use containers of fixed capacity. We use containers of fixed capacity to measure the liquids. See children, there are two jars of cookies. This one is bigger jar. So this big jar has more capacity as it is bigger, whereas this smaller jar has less number of cookies. So this smaller jar has less capacity and this bigger jar has more capacity. So this jar of chocolate cookies has more capacity and this jar of pineapple cookies has less capacity. Right? Because this jar is bigger and so it has more capacity. Similarly, see children, this is bigger jug and this is smaller glass. So this bigger jug has more capacity and this has less capacity. Right? So this jug has more capacity and this glass has less capacity. So children, we use milliliters and liters to measure the liquid quantities. We use two standard units, that is milliliters and liters, to measure the liquid quantity. And milliliter is used to measure smaller quantities like see, these are the liquids which are smaller in quantity. Medicine in a cup, milk in a glass, and tea in a cup. These are used to measure smaller quantities. So we use them in milliliters. And liter is a larger unit of measuring capacity. Right? Liter is used to measure larger quantities. Like see, milk packet. This is milk packet of 1 liter. This is bucket which contains water and its capacity is 15 liter. And a large can of oil which contains 5 liter of oil. So these are the larger ones. So we measure them in liters. See children, units of capacity, that is liter and milliliter, and the short form of liter is L and the short form of milliliter is ml. And children, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. It means a liter is divided into 1000 equal parts, right? A liter is divided into 1000 liquid parts. 1 liter is divided into 1000 equal parts. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. See children, when we go for any outing, we buy filtered water, which are available in market, like 1 liter, 2 liters, and also of greater capacity, right? When we buy the milk pouch, milk also comes in pouch. So we buy like this, 500 milliliter, 500 milliliter. Sometime instead of 1 liter pouch, you get 2 pouches of 500 milliliter each. So it means 2 pouches of 500 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. This pouch is of 500 milliliter. This pouch is of 500 milliliter. And 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. It means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Children, how does a milkman measure milk? Children, he uses 1 liter measuring container, right, to measure the milk. The milkman may also have other measuring containers, right? So, in this way, milkman measure milk. So, in the same way, we measure different liquids using containers of fixed quantity. So, this is how we measure the liquids. We measure the capacity of liquids. Children, I hope you understand this. Thank you. Bye-bye.